Maiden hurdle gets cleared with the Congress now giving its nod to a separate Telangana state. Now there are 10 districts and a common capital with Andhra Pradesh for 10 years. That is the blueprint of India's newest state. But the question on everyone's mind right now is the erosion of political ground support for the Congress, which got 33 seats from Andhra Pradesh way back in 2009. That has now made it imperative for the party to go ahead with the bifurcation.
It is resolved to request the central government to take steps in accordance with the Constitution of India to form a separate state of Telangana.
With that, the first steps for a new state was taken. As the Congress Working Committee passed the resolution for creation of a new Telangana state, the decision followed days of hectic speculation and was expected after the Congress core group gave its go-ahead last week.
Decision is a pure, unadulterated response to the democratic aspirations of people of Telangana, who have articulated them over the last 54 years.
The Congress also giving details of the proposed state, with Hyderabad proposed as a common capital for the next 10 years.
हैदराबाद अगले 10 साल तक कॉमन कैपिटल रहेगा। सीमा आंध्रा के क्षेत्र में जहां भी उचित और उपयुक्त जगह मिलेगी वहां नया कैपिटल का निर्माण किया जाएगा।
The BJP reacted cautiously to the announcement, welcoming the forward movement on the issue of Telangana, but raising serious questions on the real intention behind the Congress announcement, while others played safe.
Particular in Telangana, this is the demerger of separate state. Earlier it was there before 1956. So this is only demerger. That time was it is merger. Now this demerger is going on. Telangana also public aspiration should respect the Telugu Desam party.
The political implications of the division of Andhra Pradesh, where the Congress won a whopping 33 seats on the back promise of a separate state of Telangana, was quite obvious, with many at the local level making it clear that all's not well.
Only after the TDP has given the letter in December, when they saw there's a majority opinion in favor of division of Andhra Pradesh, Congress probably thought, let's agree for that. And that's the reason there's a resolution being introduced in Assembly. In that Assembly, the true colors will come out. I'm sure in the Assembly's debate and the final voting, the vote will be for United Andhra Pradesh.
The resolution passed by CWC will still have to go through various legislative processes, and the Congress will have to build political consensus.
That is why we are saying that for specific areas and cases there may be a case for regional autonomy, but we are against the breakup of states.
While the political fallout of the move is yet to be ascertained, will today's development mean the end of the Telangana tangle, or is it the start of a new controversy? Only time will tell. Bureau Report, Times Now.